I loved my TEFL courses. Not only did I gain invaluable information from people who had really been there, teaching and living abroad, but I also gained all the tools that I would need to be successful. And the alumni network is truly the gift that keeps on giving.
Oh, hey there! If you click that play button, sounds like you might be thinking about teaching English overseas. And you're not alone in wanting to explore the world. Over 45,000 people have received their TEFL certification through ITA, and they're teaching in 80 countries around the globe, and counting. So what's next?
Well, at ITA, you have two choices for earning your internationally accredited TEFL certification online.
We love options. What can we say?
Need to earn your certification on your own schedule while working or going to school? Our award-winning 11-week part-time course enables participants to complete their course while accommodating their personal schedule, all while learning from an experienced university-level instructor.
Wanting to ship off overseas as soon as possible instead? We offer a 4-week intensive course that covers the same in-depth curriculum in that span of just 1 month. Just note, this course is a full-time commitment. It features live classes, and you'll be expected to be online for lessons each day.
Both TEFL courses are designed to provide you the skills to teach in a live classroom setting. Taught by excellent instructors, you'll be covering topics ranging from lesson planning and grammar to classroom management, and you'll be expected to complete 10 to 20 hours of practicum work in order to give you that confidence you need to work with actual ESL students. That's right, even though both classes are online, you'll gain actual hands-on teaching experience.
Since you'll be taking your course online, you can cover all of these topics from your own couch or the beaches of Costa Rica. All you'll need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and that wanderlust that inspired you to sign up in the first place.
And our work with you doesn't stop with the class.
Once you complete your internationally recognized TEFL certification, we'll invest in your TEFL career success. All graduates of our course receive lifetime job search guidance from our team of TEFL experts, meaning you'll have a team working with you to make sure that brand new certification gets put to use when you're ready to start teaching overseas or online. Go team!
ITA's online TEFL certification course has been voted #1 online TEFL course by GoAbroad.com year after year, and we won GoAbroad's People's Choice Award for Best International Education Organization multiple times. Why? We take pride in providing the highest quality training and support, and we're passionate about ensuring our students can successfully live out their dreams of teaching and living abroad.
Speak to an ITA advisor today about our online TEFL courses and begin your journey of teaching, traveling, and exploring a whole new lifestyle.